name's Barbara Lobachek, and this is my occasion speech on the special toast to my future husband. Good evening, everyone. As you know, I'm Barbara, your newest bride. Thank you for sharing this special day with us both. My love, thank you for the past years spent with you thus far. You have truly fulfilled my princess dream. Since the day I met you, I knew that there was something different about you, unlike anybody I've ever met. The connection between us is unreal. I could feel the magnetic force pulling us together mentally, emotionally, and physically. I can feel your soul. You've taught me to keep the strength I acquire and keep standing up for everything I believe in, no matter whom I'm against. You've never tried to belittle me, only keep my confidence high, and so I thank you. You're the well-rounded, perfect Renaissance man. You're my prince disguised in a suit of shining armor because you're also my hero. When we're together, the sun never stops shining. Your perfect smile brightens up the glooming days and also keeps the sun shining. Your eyes reflect your mood. I always know what you're feeling. They're like the color of the sea most days, which means you're happy. They're beautiful. They entrap me. Your touch is so delicate, and your kisses, they take my breath away. You amaze me every day. You enlighten me. I hold your love high because this power we have together is almost like an imagination, yet it's real. I'm the luckiest woman, and I couldn't be happier. I cannot wait to see what our future together has planned out for us. No matter what, I'll always be beside you, never in front or behind. We're a team, and I'll always fight for you. We're an inspiring love tunnel that drives me crazy, falling more in love with you every day, but a fabulous crazy. You and I, we can paint the sky together. You're amazing, so never stop shining. I love you forever. Raise your glasses, everybody. To you, my love. Thank you.